Hi Karan,
Just
how
I
are you?
want to tell something about before our class starts. Me and some of us are new to EWM. Okay, we want like every time we want explanation or some kind of things, because otherwise we cannot pick up. I think some of other people friends are working in EWM. They may be knowing everything. They can easily pick up. Because yesterday, not
I agree with you.
data level, at least it's some kind of, and any doubts,
Karan.
relevant to something they are working in their current one, whatever, everything they can do it after class hours. Later on. We will also
Sure, no issues.
watch it, but should not disturb the class, because keep on going.
No issues.
Okay.
Karan. I'll try to fix it for the more explanation. Okay, no issues.
Correct. That will be good. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Hey,
No
Srini,
problem.
after every class, you please, Srini, this is Naveen here.
Hey Naveen.
Please send the screenshots of all the scenarios and all the integration details. It will be easy for us to.
Okay. Let me make that the Word doc so that you will get to know.
I think Suraj is working too fast. Suraj, you have to go a little slowly, man. We are not able to catch you.
मैंने वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट भी दे दिया सर सबको कि मेरे साथ चलो करके.
Let's start for today's one. So what actually we created is that we created a warehouse task, and also we created the first warehouse order also. Now from the GR zone for the simple put away, so this is our GR zone 9010. So based on our put away strategy, now it is able to find that our first bin the cold hyphen the 0101. So if you look at let me explain you that the put away strategies how we configured it. So if you go to the menu path SPRO.
Srini, if I understand correctly, this is the continuation of yesterday's discussion, right?
Yes, actually it's actually I'm just somebody missed this thing yesterday, so I just want to actually show this thing how the put away bin is determined also. Okay, so now first thing is that whenever if you want to actually find that the right particular put away bin, first it has to find the target storage type, and then in the target storage type it has to find a section, and then within the section actually it will search for a particular bin only. So if you look at actually here the storage type set sequence, so I just want to actually follow that the BTMP is my storage type set sequence. So in this BTMP set sequence, I just want to see here, I'll just explain you much more better way. So this is my put away set sequence. Just give me 1 minute, let me. Nice actually, so yes. This is my put away type set sequence, and in this particular set sequence, I just want to make sure that first it has to find a bin in the cold storage type. If there is no bin in the cold storage type, then it has to go for the bin in the hot one also. So this is the set sequence. If you go to the set sequence, assign the storage type to the storage type set sequence. So let's see this thing. Now if I go to the you can see here, right? Can you see here, everybody? In the EHYD, if the put away set sequence is BTMP, first access sequence number 1, it has to find the cold. If there is no bin available, then try to go for the access sequence number 2 in the hot storage type. So this is my set sequence. I just defined it. Now the same way for the process type, how I find it. Now determine the set sequence.
You mentioned that if it doesn't find in the cold storage, in the sense, what exactly is that? There is no place or
it depends on whether suppose for each storage type, in the storage type definition, what are all the things I can keep it. Suppose whether addition to the existing stock is allowed or not. okay, suppose always, okay, next empty bin only. Okay, so these kind of things, okay, are addition to the together, like, okay, the same batch actually, okay, the two different batches, okay, should not be allowed together also. Is it clear now? Or, okay, so let us take this, okay, the HU requirement only. So I don't want to actually keep the loose boxes there also. So under any of these conditions, or, okay, the capacity may be reached also. Let's take this example.
Okay.
Okay, so it will do all the calculation, and if it does not find any bin which is satisfying the criteria, then it go for a second set sequence.
But we define all this one to check like addition to existing one or next empty bin or etc. etc. So that is a part of the configuration.
Yes, okay, that's what, okay, we did it in the storage step definition, right?
Okay.
Okay.
I believe so.
Yeah. So now what actually I'm defining is that, okay, I'm defining, okay, the put away control indicator. So these put away control indicator, okay, act as a more specific selection criteria. Suppose actually, okay, say if you look at actually, this is my put away type control indicator, which I can put it in the material master. Please remember this thing, okay, the put away type control indicator and the process type determination indicators, we are putting it in the material master. So the put away control indicator, okay, I just defined it. Now what I want to define is that, okay, based on these three combinations, now I just want to specify that, okay, which storage type, okay, it has to pick it up. Let us see that, okay, what are all the combinations I can keep it up here. So in a particular warehouse, if my material has a particular, okay, put away control indicator, which is at the material master, okay, is it clear now? And even I can give that for a particular process type, okay, then I can put it at a particular stock type and even for a particular stock usage and for the particular entitled dispose, and I can say that, okay, what is the set sequence it has to pick it up. So I'm saying to my system that, okay, if my process type is 1010 and if my material has a BTMP as a put away control indicator, please follow the set sequence of BTMP. So if it follows that, okay, the BTMP as set sequence, now the result of this thing is that, okay, it will try to find a bin in the old one. Is it clear now how that configuration is done?
Okay, what is that last column?
The last column is, okay, the put away rule only, okay, whether addition to the existing stock or, okay, based on the consolidation group or, okay, based on the next empty bin.
Okay, these are the ones you said?
Exactly. Okay, even actually we can put these things also, and the consolidation group, okay, we'll talk about, okay, when we go to the deconsolidation. Okay, so now let's see that, okay, if I try to create a warehouse task, okay, /n, okay.
So this warehouse task is basing on the delivery or inbound delivery or what exactly is that?
Yes, it's based on the delivery. So I'll just show you that, okay, I'll try to cancel that, okay, the one which we created yesterday. Now please remember the transaction code, okay, for the EWM monitor, okay, this is, okay, the /SEWM/monitor. So this is like a single point of, okay, transaction code, okay, where actually we'll be displaying, okay, the complete warehouse view in a single transaction. So we can display that, okay, the whole, like, okay, the delivery document, the physical inventory, all the warehouse task, warehouse order, everything, whatever the documents available in EWM, okay, we should be able to display it in the EWM monitor. So I just want to show you that, okay, the task which we created last time, I'll show you that various functionalities of this monitor. So this monitor is more or like a report kind of thing. So if you want, actually you can do the shortcut kind of transactions from here, or you can directly go to the main transactions also. Suppose what I want to do here is that, okay, I just want to cancel this task and then I want to recreate it again also, so that, okay, I just want to cancel this thing. Okay, sorry, I think I already opened that thing.
Srini, this warehouse task is created even before the put away strategy is, takes place.
No, when the put away strategy takes, I will, okay, that's what I'm just canceling these things and I'll come from the beginning.
Okay. Now after
so
the inbound delivery is created in EWM, a warehouse task is created immediately.
Yeah, that's what actually our exercise is that, okay, yesterday what I did is that I created a warehouse task manually.
Okay.
Okay, so usually, okay, oh sorry, it got actually, I just clicked on the confirm button, okay, instead of, okay, the cancelling, okay. Okay, I'll create the one more delivery so that we'll get to know again from fresh. Okay, so
if the same situation comes out, we cannot do cancel.
no, once it is confirmed,
what
we
is the
cannot
reverse
cancel.
setting?
No, if it is actually, I can
Right.
just move the goods back using the ad hoc HO, ad hoc movement.
Okay.
Srini, we can cancel the task if it is created with reference to delivery, like the way we
Yes.
cancel.
Yeah, we can do that thing also. I'll just show you that, all these things, what all we can do it also. Yeah, let me create a delivery so that, what happened to this thing? Okay, let me. Hey Kannan, whenever if you get a doubt, just immediately stop it and then we'll discuss it also, okay? Anything is not understandable, okay?
Yeah, okay.
So I'll try to explain as much as possible, okay?
Yeah.
So
And one more, I want how many documents we create in ERP side, how many we create for
Yes.
here, what is the sequence flow kind of things also, okay?
Yep, I can.
This is after this over later on.
Yeah.
For inbound, how many documents are created, what is the purpose of each document, which one is executable kind of things.
Yes, I can do that thing also.
Okay.
So I'm trying to create, the one more delivery because I just forgot the purchase order number. So let me get this PO number.
But Srini, this reference document should show purchase order number also, no?
That's what actually it should show. That's what, it depends on that, the reference document profile that is assigned.
Oh, where it is?
In the document type configuration. Okay, 17265, this is the document only. So if I just try to, I think I might have finished that, the whole quantity. Okay. Okay, this is there. Okay, now I'm just trying to consume some more quantity. So I'm just trying to save this delivery. Kannan, we can observe this thing. Okay, that first thing is that I created an inbound delivery with reference to a purchase order in ERP. So in the bottom, you can see that in which system I'm creating it. So it created me the one more delivery. So I'll just type it. The inbound delivery. This is 18 followed by 1 2 3 4 zeros. 118. This is a inbound delivery. In ERP. Now it got distributed to the EWM. So I think somebody changed this setting. So I'm not sure whether the queue is got processed immediately. So the queue is, somebody just stopped the queue. So I'll just go to SMQ2. I'll just go to here. I'll just execute this queue immediately. I need to change the QRF settings. Usually you will no need to do this thing. It will get processed immediately. Now,
Srini,
if I go to,
at this point, can we do that setting also? Because it may be in. That will be the good chance to see that once again.
Yep. I can just do this thing also. Now you can see that SR MER 23. This is the ASN, and you can see that the document is 109. This is the document. The 109 is the equivalent document. In EWM. Now what is actually today's our target is that it has to create a warehouse task. And for that warehouse task, it has to assign it to a warehouse order, and that warehouse order, it has to be assigned to a queue, and then I want to send it to the RF gun, and then I want to confirm it, okay, from using the RF gun. Is it clear now?
Yeah. So, confirm RF gun means is a pick confirm, correct?
It is not a pick confirm. This is a put away confirmation.
Oh, sorry. You are inbound. Yeah. No,
Yeah,
put away confirm. It's the final location.
Exactly.
Final
Okay.
location.
So yeah. So now what actually I'm trying to say is that if for my delivery, if I want to actually create a put away task, now it has to follow my put away strategy, whatever I defined it. Okay. So I'll just show you that what all the things the settings I made it in the material master. So if you go to the material master data, now just simply go to the product, maintain the warehouse product. Just let's go to our original product, Now just simply go to this thing. Now go to the warehouse data. In the warehouse data, can you see here now the put away control indicator? What is the put away control indicator I used? I used the put away control indicator as a BTMP. So now in my warehouse, my put away control is BTMP, and then the process type which I used, it is the 1010. If I use a 1010, what I told my system is that please pick up the storage type set sequence of BTMP. If my system uses the BTMP as a storage type set sequence, then first it will try to find the bin in the cold storage type, and then it will try to find the bin in the hot storage type. Is it clear now? So how actually it has to work also. Now if I just simply try to go and create a warehouse task, see here inbound delivery, follow on functions. If I just want to create a warehouse task, now if I simply create a warehouse task, usually earlier we used to get an error because it could not find the bin as Now if I simply create this, what it has to create, it will create a warehouse task, and whenever the warehouse task is ready, by default it will be combined in a one warehouse order only. So now that particular warehouse order, if I just save it, it has to create that the warehouse order. So the warehouse order 3 followed by 502, that is the next number, it got created. So let us look at our warehouse.
Suppose we suppose we want to add one more task, warehouse task under this order.
Yes, you can do that thing also. You can just go there and you can change that warehouse order, or you can cancel those things, everything you can do it. But usually if you want to that the warehouse order, usually see, let's take this example. Once that the warehouse order is created, you can split it actually.
But this order has only one task, warehouse task. Suppose I want to group multiple tasks into one order because of same means the same pick location or whatever near. I'm giving it to one as a one package, something. Then we can create another task and we can attach it to the same order.
Yes, you can do that thing. So that is what, see, usually, these things, you will not be doing it in the manually, that, still that option is possible, So for that thing, we have something called as, the warehouse order creation rules. Is it clear now?
Yes.
So once this warehouse order rule creation, what actually you will mention is that, what are the possible, see here, what are the possible, tasks that can be combined in one warehouse order. Is it clear now? Because otherwise in the warehouse, if you look at the workers, they will try to combine whatever the way the easiest to you. Suppose let's take this thing, if I get that two materials, one is the frozen one, another one is the hot ones also. That material type is the different one, so which should not be combined actually, or that the heavy items, plus the light items actually should not be combined together also, or items actually all belong to the one activity area, or what you're saying that all those things belong to one picking put away location has to be grouped under that the one order only. That we can do it. Is it clear, Kannan?
Yes, sir.
So that is what you can still go ahead and you can do those.
Can you have one question?
Yeah.
Can we create the warehouse task based on the quantity, how much quantity it can carry? Means one warehouse task, only one pallet can be picked in one task. So can it be
Yes.
done?
Yes, in that case, actually, suppose let's take this thing, okay, my inbound delivery, okay, let's take this example, okay, if my inbound delivery contains, okay, the quantity of, okay, 100,
Yes, right.
okay, 100 is quantity, okay, but at assuming that, okay, one worker can handle, okay, the maximum of, okay, 50 pieces only at one go.
Yeah.
Okay, so instead of actually creating, okay, one warehouse task, okay, system always has to create, okay, the two warehouse tasks.
Correct.
Okay, so that is, okay, the called as, okay, the quantity restrictions, okay, we can put it in the warehouse order, okay, creation rule. In short, actually, in EWM, people, okay, call this thing as, okay, WOCR, warehouse order creation rules. Okay, so this, okay, that's what, okay, see, warehouse, I'll tell you the terminology. Warehouse order, that means it's nothing but the combination of the warehouse tasks, okay. So if you want to construct the particular warehouse order, okay, you have to group the warehouse tasks only. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you now. Okay, so if you don't specify anything, okay, the system will take it as a default one. So I'm just going to the monitor transaction again to display my warehouse order.
Okay, I have one more question, please.
Yeah.
And this warehouse order will be assigned to a particular resource, or a warehouse task will be assigned?
No. This always, okay, the resource assignment will come from the warehouse order only. Please remember that thing.
Okay.
Okay, so the resource, okay, not the resource assignment I can say. Please remember that, okay. It's not directly assigned to the resource, okay, it is always, okay, the warehouse order, okay, see here, okay, the warehouse order, okay, goes to the queue, and that queue will be assigned to a resource.
Okay.
Is it clear now? Suppose, okay, in a warehouse, or okay, I'll be getting, okay, the continuous work. So I cannot assign the individual work, okay, I will assign it to a queue, and one queue can be pointed to that, okay, the more than one resource also. So it may be resource 1, or, okay, the resource 2 can belong to the same queue. Let's take this example, okay. I got, okay, 10 deliveries, okay. Is it clear now? And I have 2 workers in my warehouse worker, okay, who are going to do the put away. So I cannot directly assign that, okay, who is going to execute it. So what I will do is that, okay, I will put the queue here, and if I want it, actually, I can do the load distribution here across resources. Is this clear now? Does it make more sense?
Okay, what is the load distribution? Means how will we will be distributing the load?
Yes, exactly. Okay, so you can put it to the more than, okay, one queue, or, okay, you can specifically assign it to that, okay, worker to, okay, handle these things, okay, by the resource 1 only, or, okay, you can, that's what in the warehouse monitor, okay, the warehouse supervisor can see that, okay, who is handling, okay, what work, and then he can go and, okay, physically assign that particular queue to the resource also. Okay, see here, always, okay, remember this thing, the warehouse task will be combined to the warehouse order, and that warehouse order will be assigned to a queue, and that queue, I can assign it to the one resource, or, okay, to a group of resources can be pointing to that particular queue. I'll just show you those things. I'm just going to show that thing only to you.
Okay, and Srini, we can assign 2 queues to the same resource, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's also possible, okay, because the same worker can act as a put away guy and as well as a picker also.
Task interleaving, okay.
Yeah. Usually the task interleaving, okay, we'll use it, okay, when the case of forklift, yeah, even, okay, the manual guy also, we can do that thing.
Okay.
Usually the task interleaving, we do it for the rack feeder, automatic rack feeders.
Okay.
Yeah. What happened to this system again? Just till 5 minutes back it was working so good.
And this task interleaving, I believe, if I'm correct, it's also in SAP EWM, through TRM.
Yeah, you have to use the TRM. This is not part of this thing.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a simple concept, okay. If I assign a worker to a particular put away thing, the next thing has to be the picking request from that location.
Okay.
Or, okay, trying to go for that, okay, the nearest put away thing.
Sure.
Hey, this Srini?
Yep.
Yeah, Sundar here. Sorry, he can join late.
No issue.
Did I miss a lot?
No, not much. Very little.
Okay.
Yeah, just 1 hour class, that's all.
No.
Oh my God.
Okay, now let's go to that. Okay, our monitor. Okay, nothing's in there. Okay, don't worry.
I didn't know that today you are taking class. So it's
Yeah,
just-
actually, okay, because today nobody is traveling, so. Okay, so now I'm just okay. See, that's what I'll just explain also. So warehouse order. Now I'm just trying to show you that okay, what is our warehouse order. So you can look at okay this thing. Always okay. Now look here that okay, what are the fields I can have it here. So the warehouse order number, you can see that okay, the process type, and it is not assigned to the wave. You can see that okay, the status. Okay, C means it's confirmed. Okay, the blank means it's open. I think a lot of echo actually. Can somebody please mute it? Now you can see that okay, whether it is changed by or okay, the confirmed by. Now let's go to that okay, I just want to take this warehouse order. You can always go and okay, confirm it in the foreground, or okay, you can confirm it in the background, or you can add that okay, the warehouse order, or you can assign it to a resource. Is it clear now? Somebody was asking this question also. Okay, so how can I actually assign this particular okay, the order to a particular resource? So usually okay, the warehouse supervisors okay will have access to this particular transaction, and they can see that okay, what are assigned to which worker, and okay, even in the latest one okay, they can have a detailed report of the workload. Also, they can have the complete okay, the warehouse reporting also, dynamic reporting. It's called as the easy graphics framework. I'll show you that thing also.
Yes.
Srini,
Yes, Sine,
Yeah.
what is here add a warehouse order here? Because
We can add more warehouse orders.
that means we will.
I
what
think it is
exactly
actually
will do?
for the. I think it is trying to add that okay, the more warehouse tasks only. Okay, let me see this thing. Okay. No, actually, okay. Because I have not ever used this thing button, but okay, let me check it because I have not used this thing also.
Srini,
Okay. Yep.
yeah, you told that the warehouse order is actually assigned to the queue, and then you assign the queue to the resources. But here you can directly assign the warehouse order to the resources.
Yeah, because okay, if I don't use any queue management actually, suppose assuming that okay, see the queue is only useful okay if I'm using the RF process only, RF or okay the MFS only.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So let me go to that. Okay, this thing I am not sure, but I can just check it in the help. Okay, for what is this button? Okay. Now, if I go to that, okay, see here for any in EWM, okay, whether any confirmation you are going to do, you can always go to this is something called as okay the list view, or you can always go to the form view. So if you want to change anything, okay, you have to always go to the form view. Now, if you want to change any of these fields, okay, by default, please remember that okay they will be disabled. Okay, if you want to enable them, you have to always go it in the confirm in the foreground. Okay, please remember, okay, these navigations, okay, will struggle a lot, okay, if you don't know, okay, how to do this thing. Suppose, okay, I cannot actually put the whole quantity of 5 here, okay, so I can change the quantity as 4, and in that case, actually, you have to put the exception. Now, let us see here that, okay, what actually, okay, I can just do it here. Can you see here now? I can assign it to a resource, and then, okay, or, okay, I can put it in a queue, and then okay that when I go to the particular queue, then a resource actually can go and okay, access the queue also. Is it clear now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. So as of now, okay, what is missing from my warehouse order? Okay, if you look at actually, it is able to find the right bin, everything it is there, process type is there. The only thing is that okay, I want to okay, this is the one which we talked about. Okay, the warehouse order creation rule, and also that okay, I want to assign it to a queue also. So if I assign it to a queue, then I can process it from the RF. Okay, or okay from the RF gun. Is it clear now?
I mean, we can assign resource and queue both at the same place here.
Yeah. Then okay, in that thing, okay, that warehouse order okay can be accessed only by that guy only.
But that guy, yes, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So let me assign it to a queue. I don't think any queues are there. Okay. Yeah. So I am assigning to the queue of okay something inbound. Okay, inbound. Okay, now I'm just saving it. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. Oh, I think the final save I did it was going to confirm. Sorry. Okay, I'll just yeah, because actually I would not I did not do I should not do this thing. I should simply put it and then save it. Okay, what I can do is that that's not a problem. I'll just show you that. Suppose let's take this thing. The stock is actually available here. Now I just want to move it using the ad hoc also. So if I want to move my stock using the ad hoc in EWM, if you want to move the product as a ad hoc, you have the transaction AD prod ad hoc product. If you want to move a HU, you have something called as the AD HU. It's for the ad hoc move. Slash SCWM slash AD prod. For the product movement.
Since send the transaction code.
Yeah, I'll just send.
If you have everything. Yeah.
Yes, I'll send this thing. So for the HU movement also. So whenever actually if you want to manually if you want to create a warehouse task, you can just use this thing.
Srini?
Yep.
Where is this creation role? Warehouse order creation role is defined and assigned?
Yeah. Yes, that's what we are going to configure that thing. That's what we targeted about for our example, right? Okay. So I just want to create a warehouse order. It's always based on the warehouse order creation rules. Now I just want to Hyderabad I just want to move this thing. So now we know that this is going to be here. Now, you know that the stock of 15, so I just want to move a quantity of 5, to that the GR zone. I just want to now I just want to create plus save.
Warehouse process type.
Yeah.
Srini?
I can use Yep.
Once a warehouse order is confirmed, can we reverse it by any chance, or we couldn't?
No, you can just use the ad hoc, the reverse move only.
Okay. So you can see that
this warehouse order got created. So I just want to show you that the warehouse order.
No, Srini, for ad hoc moves, it's always 9919.
No, you have to use any. See, you don't need to create any of the 999. It's only that the warehouse process type. It should have the activity of the internal movement.
Okay. I see.
So yeah. Now you can see that this actually got the queue also. Or you can just go and change that particular queue also. So let us see that how I can actually create a queue and then assign it also, and how we can create the users in the RF. So
good.
Let us so I just want to create one Putaway task, and then I want to confirm it from the RF.
Srini, one question.
Yep.
This warehouse confirm by RF gun means is confirming the warehouse task, correct? Particular.
Exactly. Confirming the warehouse
not
task. Not
individual serial number, anything, correct?
No. Confirming the warehouse task.
Why this is disconnecting always?
Yeah. So it's frequently getting disconnected and
So Srini?
Yep.
This confirming warehouse task is similar to confirming a TO?
Yes, it's similar to confirming a TO only.
Then you can reverse it LTOG.
Yeah, why I am asking to reverse now? Sometimes as a developers, they want to play around with that one, making changes and cancelling, confirming like that.
No, once it is confirmed in EWM, you cannot cancel the confirmed task. Only for the picking only you can do the reverse picking. That means picking you can cancel it, but the warehouse task will still remain it as a confirmed only.
Yeah, one more. If you after confirm, some document will be sent out to ERP, correct?
That is okay. It depends on okay. If it is a GR is done, then it will be sent it. If it is an internal movement, it will not be sent.
Okay, within EWM it won't send back.
Yes, yes. Whenever if it is involving any IM changes, then it will send it.
Jenny, I have one question.
Yeah.
Can these warehouse tasks be assigned dynamically to the resources? That once the first task is done, and then second will be automatically assigned to that particular guy.
No. I'll tell you one thing. Always, okay, the warehouse task itself, okay, cannot exist on its own. It has to be always associated in a warehouse order.
Okay.
So, if you want, actually, you need to assign that warehouse order to that guy. Otherwise, okay, you have to split that warehouse order into multiple warehouse orders, and then you can assign it to the different guys.
Okay.
First to the queue, right? If
Yep.
they are
What happened to the system?
For AFS, if you remember in EWM, ERP integration interface, when you map storage locations, you assign it to 002.
Not working.
So it should be right away available. Or you won't see any top change basically, or transfer posting or stuff like that. I have not run that scenario. I'm just trying to understand the concept.
But the old one actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. In what sense it will be useful?
And in fact, today what I did, I removed one of the storage locations, and I was working with only 00 storage location just to see what happens. And what happened, I created one 101 movement, and I created one 411 movement.
A lot of configuration in the old server, so even if for this thing we can just continue like one.
Yeah, Abhi, it is always that it has to go to the ROD and then come to AFS at the time of goods receipt.
Okay. Anyway, I think it picked up now.
Let's say if business decides we can have ROD and AFS both, or if we can have ROD only or can have AFS only. That's what I'm wondering. For me, ECC side should be able to receive in any location.
Hi. Just okay. If you have time, okay, just to let's.
Right.
Okay, so always have this picture in your mind so that you will never forget it. That how the stock type conversion will happen in EWM.
So if I remember. In EWM 9010 has availability group 002, and the mandatory
9010 we assigned it as availability group 001.
Okay, let's say 001.
Yeah.
And that mandatory checkbox is not ticked out. So what will happen? Let's say if I am receiving something in a storage location for which availability group is 002. So when that involved delivery comes in and I receive it, then in that case I will see a transfer posting or F1 to F2 conversion, whatever it is.
Yes.
But if I am receiving something in a storage location where the availability group is 001, there I will not see. That's what I'm assuming.
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
So even actually if you want to do that thing also, what you can do is that, always in EWM, we have a provision, you can do the posting change from one stock type to another.
Okay.
Okay, so that provision we always have it,
Okay.
Okay, so always have this picture, even you can just print it and then you can put it into your desk also, so that this picture it will always remain in your mind,
This one like a final bin may be a different availability group.
Yeah, this part, this part, what actually he did in our case also, first thing is that, my goods actually came to the 9010 area, and then I
Okay.
created a warehouse task. My warehouse task, okay, it find a bin in the cold storage type. So when I moved my goods to the final, look at the storage type, that storage type has an availability group of 002. So that 002, okay, it picked up, okay, the F2.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what, okay, the stock mapping happens. So always, okay, have this picture in your mind, okay?
Is overall is changing stock type from one type to another one?
Yes, exactly. It's like automatic, okay, doing the stock type change only based on the availability group, and this availability group is linked to the storage types.
Okay. So,
Okay,
so Srini, when we are running the outbound process, we will create the outbound process. We will do the configuration in ECC in such a way that it should always pick up a storage location for which in EWM 002 is the availability group, right?
Yes, exactly. Yep, that's what, okay, we'll do it.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's, okay, go for that, okay, the warehouse task, okay, and the warehouse task creation rule, and then, okay, how I can create, okay, the different resources, and as well as, okay, how I can do, okay, one small RF example also. So let's go to that, okay, the cross process settings and, okay, the warehouse task. So we defined, okay, the process type and then process type indicators, everything. So now I just want to, okay, define, okay, the warehouse order, okay. So we just defined that, okay, the number ranges for the warehouse order also. Now where is my activity areas? Just a minute. Hello. Yeah. EWM user 1. It's working now. Yeah, thanks, Tom. Yeah. Okay, so it is in the activity areas. Okay, so now it is damn slow. So what I want to do is that, okay, what are the warehouse tasks, okay, that are pointing to the cold storage type, or, okay, I'll just put them as a one activity area, and then, okay, for this activity area, okay, I just want to define, okay, a warehouse order creation rule, and also I just want to define a queue, and then I want to assign it to them. Come on. It's okay, the each activity area which are going to have, okay, the consolidation groups also. Later, okay, we'll use these things, okay, for the deconsolidation. That means, okay, I just want to, okay, activity area means it's nothing but a collection of particular bins only. So I just want to group, okay, my warehouse activities so that I can assign it to the different workers.
It seems there is no power.
Yeah, that's what I think. So, oh, but yeah.
You are defining this one in continuation with our existing scenario?
Yes, that's what, okay, for the warehouse task, okay, what I want to do is that, okay, I just want to define an activity area, and then, okay, I want to determine a queue for our warehouse order based on the new rules, and then I want to make sure that it appears it in the RF gun input automatically, and then I want to, instead of confirming manually, so what actually I want to do is that instead of confirming manually, I just want to log into the RF transaction, and then I want to confirm it from the RF gun. So RF gun actually, okay, I cannot actually confirm RF gun, but in EWM, okay, we develop all the RF transactions, okay, using something called as emulator.
Okay.
Okay, so you can really see that, okay, it's a look and feel, everything is like a RF only, but okay, it's nothing but like a called as desktop only.
Okay.
Okay. So even if you are interested, we can even publish that thing as a ITS template also.
Oh, very good. So, Srini, you were telling something about the consolidation group. In the meantime, when we are trying to connect, let's discuss that.
Okay, the consolidation group means, okay, in, let us say that, okay, I don't want actually, okay, to store, okay, let's say this example that, okay, one box, okay, I got, okay, that, okay, let's say that, okay, I got, okay, the fruits, okay, plus, okay, in meat, okay, I just got it, okay, in one box actually as in inbound, okay. So how actually it will decide, okay, whether deconsolidation is required or not, okay, it is based on the final, it's based on the consolidation group, okay, of the target locations. Is it clear now? Suppose I know that, okay, fruit has to go to that, okay, the hot storage type, and then, okay, meat has to go to that, okay, the cold storage type. So how it will decide is that, okay, these two has to belong to the activity areas, okay, that should contain two different consolidation groups. Then only that, okay, the deconsolidation, okay, it will take place. Is it clear now? Or similarly in the outbound also, that, okay, I don't want to actually allow the products, okay, which belong to the two consolidation groups. Okay, suppose, okay, if somebody tried to pack the materials, okay, which belong to the two consolidation groups, the standard setting, okay, just prevents those things. Unless, okay, you go and, okay, erase the consolidation group. Okay.
So where will be assigned this consolidation group and activity areas to the
consolidation group? Okay, see here, I'll tell you again this thing, don't ever get confused, it's very mathematical only. Consolidation group is assigned to the activity areas, okay. Activity area is nothing but, okay, which is equal to a collection of bins. Okay, is it clear now? Activity area means it's nothing but a collection of bins. So the bins means, okay, it can be the bins belong to the two, it may be the bins can come from multiple storage types also. Please remember that thing.
Exactly, that's what the question I wanted.
It's a kind of logical grouping.
Exactly.
Very good.
Okay, suppose let's take this, okay, let's take this example. There are bins actually which belong to the two different storage types, okay, but they are just side by side aisles. Okay, I just want to combine them as one activity area. Okay, so always remember that activity area is nothing but, okay, the collection of bins, okay, and for that activity area I'll be assigning that, okay, the consolidation group. So before you are defining a consolidation group, you need to define the number range for the consolidation group, and then, okay, you can just pull up that, okay, the consolidation group for each activity area. That
So
drives the whole deconsol. Yeah, it's a random number based on the number range. It's like a number range sequence only, nothing else. Okay, so SPRO, IMG, so master data, okay, activity areas, okay, now define that, I think we already defined that thing if I'm correct, okay. HYD. So, okay, so EHYD, I just want to define an activity area for that, okay, save it. Now, once you define the activity area, I was telling you, right, activity area is nothing but a combination of, okay, the bins. So you need to assign that, okay, the storage bins, okay, to the activity areas, okay. You can specify always that, okay, starting from a particular aisle to particular aisle only, okay. Now EHYD, okay, in the activity area code, I just want to assign, okay, the storage type, okay, all the bins belong to the storage type. I was telling you, right, okay, the consolidation group, okay, you can just enter manually, or, okay, you can just, okay, pull so that, okay, system actually, okay, pulls the number, but actually I have not defined any number range, okay, for my consolidation group, okay, so it's not able to generate the number also. Have you seen this error actually? It is saying that, okay, the error in generation, check the number, okay, number range settings, so,
Okay.
Okay, so
if we pulled out, then the number will generate, and it will be constant, or it will be that what query was.
it will be, no, it is actually the next available number only. Suppose like, okay, first you
And
choose the
once
number, okay,
again-
starting from, yeah, go ahead.
Now if it is 0005 and when we pulled it 0005 and after some time, some days, once again we pulled it, or we will only check it will be 005 or some other number.
No. See, okay, you will not be changing this group numbers, right? Okay. See, if you pull it again, the number will be changing again.
If you won't pull it,
Once you assign by let's say system is generating any number. So once you assign that number, so if you come back to this configuration after a week, the number will remain the same, or will it get changed?
No, it will remain same unless, okay, you again, okay, you go and, okay, click the pull deconsolidation. Then, okay, if you click this button again, it will change.
Okay.
Okay, so usually, okay, this is, okay, the moreover, like at the activity areas, okay, you will not change it, okay, once you define your warehouse areas.
Okay, so it's a one-time activity. Usually.
It's a one-time activity. Okay, usually, okay, it's like, okay, the config. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now I just want to, okay, define the sort sequence.
No, Srini, actually why this query come because we pulled out and this will be the now constant, no? For this else to this else. See, if we pulled out, let's say 0005 is pulled out, and here we saved in the customization, so this will become constant, no?
That will become constant. That's what you, next time what you do is that you just go to the same transaction again, just remove that entry and then click the pull again. So it will change the entry again.
No.
I'll just show you. No, the significance is that, okay, it will always try to, okay, assign a number for that deconsolidation group. Otherwise, okay, you can just assign a number in that range also.
Now, what is the point in keep on changing it? Is there any necessity for changing?
Yeah, that's a different question.
That's what
in fact.
That's a good question. On what reason it will change? Srini?
Yeah.
On what basis generally we will change it? On what, like if something changes or something, or what exactly?
Okay, let's change that. Okay, tomorrow, okay, you want to assign, okay, the same consolidation group, okay, to the, you want to combine, okay, two activity areas, okay, that belongs to same consolidation group.
Okay.
Then you need to go and, okay, change the existing consolidation group.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let me, okay, define, okay, the consolidation group also. I think I thought, okay, I just defined that thing, okay.
What is this defined sort sequence of our activity area?
Okay, so yeah, whenever, okay, you are doing any activity in a particular, okay, activity area, so what bin actually, okay, it has to consider first. Suppose, okay, you are doing a put away, what bin, that means, okay, whether like, okay, the first bin that is matching in the first aisle, or it may be on the stack, or what bin it has to take first. Okay, that's what, okay, the sort sequence. Okay, unless you sort the bins, okay, you cannot use the activity area properly. Let me define, okay, where are my number ranges?
Top.
I don't think for the consolidation group I can define it here. Just let me check it. So first, okay, define the number ranges for the consolidation group. I'll show you that, okay, if you just pull it, okay. The system is again going crazy. When I just tell, no, when I just tell it, okay, it works fine for 2 minutes.
Just ask her what's the reason for that.
Yeah.
Is it like shutting down?
No, I don't think the system is slow actually, because once it picks up, it works fine.
connecting itself is taking.
Yeah, it's a connection problem only. Maybe I'm not sure with this. Or something. So.
Yeah, before Sundar came, it was good. After that, it stopped.
I think it's
Hey,
saying,
come on, why are you pulling? Why are you pulling my leg, man?
That's true.
You said no. In spite of half an hour, you said 1 hour.
Went well yesterday, I could not.
So you want to reduce the speed.
You know, without me, you guys proceeded, right? So, you know, system is taking revenge on you guys.
Sundar.
So if there is no power, how come their systems are still running?
No, I think power will be there.
Power is there. Power is there.
At least they should have some backup.
Some network issue, I think. Some network.
Yeah, it's a network issue because the power is there. If the power is not there, okay, even the system will not connect immediately.
Correct.
Yeah, it will not connect at all.
The first time it is just the screen comes like in a flash, and then next time it's going to the TOS.
Is there any performance load performance issues?
So somebody might be executed, okay, delivery with 1,000 line items.
But a couple of these seems to have like continuously, right? Production.
Yeah, even actually yesterday, or okay, even actually today morning I was checking it was there, okay, for 2 hours it worked without any issues.
Oh. Maybe because we are too many people are logging into the system.
No, I don't think so. There's nobody even in this system.
Right.
So this is our systems only, not everybody, right?
Yeah, these are okay, their systems only.
Then it should work.
Yeah.
So training, since you guys are doing configuration and stuff in the live projects, do you guys make any config package? Any rapid deployment solution?
Most of them are like okay, client specific.
Okay, no, like just like the way you shared that ERP EWM integration document.
Okay, that one. Okay, no, that thing I can share it because okay, the only thing is that okay, I need to get the Solman content only. It's not anything. Okay, anything that's made by me. It is a solution manager content only.
Right. No. So what I'm saying, like same thing, like something like that. For example, okay, once you have all the connections running between the two systems, okay, the first thing is that you make sure you have your business partners, supply chain unit hierarchy is all set.
I don't think, okay, no, that will not be there in the content actually. The content mainly talks about, okay, how to configure the system for the standard like initial setup only, because the rest and all it is completely specific to the customer. So solution manager content does not talk about all the other things. It contains, okay, suppose let's say this, okay, tomorrow I want to enable the kit to stock. Solution manager content contains that, okay, what are the main busy sets so that it can expedite the process only.
Yes, I understand that. I'm saying like, do you have anything like that? Because
yeah, I have the, but for those things are for the old version, but okay, I can just share with you. So I'm just okay trying to get the new solution manager content. Okay.
Like I mean, your own cheat sheet. Okay, your own document, your personal document that you okay. You know what? Okay, everything is up and running. Now I will start with the supply chain unit. I will start with the supply chain unit hierarchy. I will set up the storage master data, storage type master data, storage type
yes. Yeah, those things I have it. Okay, for okay the most of the common scenarios, okay, I have it.
Yes.
Yeah, I just need to remove I just need to remove those headers only.
Yeah. I understand.
Srini.
Yeah.
Srini.
Yeah. Hey.
Have you ever worked in a project where the client changed from WM to EWM?
No, I have not seen it because most of the things they just directly started the first EWM implementations only. What actually happens is that they usually used to have the legacy WM like high jump or the red parry.
Okay.
And then they may be running on the ERP.
What is the impact, Srini? What is the impact if today I have a regular WM, SAP WM, and then tomorrow I realize that regular SAP WM is not supporting the business process, I'd like to switch over.
That is what in the latest version, SAP is providing a migration tool.
Okay.
So what you can do is that directly if you have a WM, you can ready-made, you can make it as EWM readily available.
Wow.
Oh, really?
Yep, that's a migration tool is coming from enhancement pack 2
April it will start.
But
No, it will start in April.
It's starting from enhancement pack 2 of EWM.
Oh,
okay.
That is like 1 week or couple of weeks will be done, or?
No, but the rest of the configuration the core WM it will be ready.
Okay.
Okay, but the rest of if you want let's take that I want to enable the process oriented storage control, or I want to enable the deconsolidation. Those things you have to go and configure it.
I think in the migration they will help you. They'll provide you the tools to migrate your storage type data, your stock data.
Yes.
Exactly. You are perfect.
Yes. Only that.
And
Only
after that, do the configuration again from the scratch.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe first we have to do the configuration, then we need to migrate the data.
Yeah, that would be a good
idea. Over my experience, what I can tell in EWM is that if you understand this product mathematically, if I touch what configuration, what it will affect, then it will be very easy to understand this product.
Right.
So what is an activity area? Suppose let's take this example that if I want to control my put-away strategies, what are the things I can control? If I want to control my deconsolidation, yes, what are the attributes? What is the activity area? How can I control my queues? How can I control the warehouse order creation rules? So everything is complete it's a table driven, and everything is most of the things are very customizable. Everything is interdependent also.
So
Some fine day we need to write like this only.
Yeah.
Okay, we will define this. What is the sequence? Okay, we want to define this. What is the sequence?
Exactly. So that is why, that is the reason I'm not going through the EWM 100, 110 sequence, because in 100, 110 you will miss the logical flow.
Srini, that's good actually. The question is, because you are telling because you know, but we don't have any documentation to follow, right? So
that's what. See, what actually I can tell you is that once you are done with the basic things, now if you look at that EWM 100 or 110 course, that will become a very cakewalk to you now.
Okay.
Now if you go today and just look at your EWM 100 and 110, the first half of the book, you can say that, oh, this all I know, I all saw these things, I can easily do those things.
Okay.
See, so just do that thing over the weekend.
Hey, Abhi?
Yeah, hi.
You said you will send the documents, right?
Yes, I'm going to do it as soon as the class is finished. I will send both 100 and 110 to all of you.
Yeah,
Okay.
please.
Somebody told us 120 is there, correct? EW 120?
Is a property.
Yes, I'll do that. Yes, I'll do that.
I need 120.
So I have Srini's email, I have Suresh email, I have Prabhu's email. So I will send to 100 and 110 to the guys, and then you can, these guys can distribute or share. Okay.
Abhi, what is this 100,
120?
what is that?
120 is advanced customizing. It's more for the labor management. It's for the labor management, and it talks about the deconsolidation and also the warehouse order creation rules.
Yes.
So,
but before going through 100, 110, 120 is very difficult.
Hey, Abhi?
Yes.
You said you will send to Srini, or you will send to all of us? You
can send to all actually directly also. You can send to me also, so that if anybody missing, I can just forward it.
I will, yeah, Srini is the best point of contact, I would say. So I will tell it to him.
Yeah,
Hey,
okay, I'll
Srini.
just forward it immediately. Yep.
Yeah, please. I think you have all the email addresses rather than I
Yes,
don't
yes,
know.
I have it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because okay, yesterday I sent most of the documents to you, so all the sent mails I'll just forward it.
Okay.
Srini, I haven't received anything.
Yes, Srini, me too. I did not receive anything.
Yeah, me too.
Not even me also.
Hey,
Srini,
how come?
in fact, even me too. I only got your availability document so far.
Okay, let me note down, okay, because, okay, let me make all those things email on the weekend, I'll just finish it, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe, okay, something, okay, maybe missing to somebody, because always, okay, I know that, okay, I used to send it to Suraj, Anant or Abhishek, okay?
No,
Prabhusit, okay.
Yeah, I think so. You sent only to Suraj
Yeah.
No.
because he talks to you a lot.
Yeah, he talks to you a lot and you are considering him.
Yeah.
No, okay,
Suraj.
let me make. Okay,
Anand, check your email. Anand, check
hey,
your
one more thing actually, I just want to ask you that, okay, what is your practice, okay, are you able to create the warehouse task and warehouse order, or you are stuck at any place as of now?
Yeah, we are practicing slowly.
Okay.
Anand,
Yeah, bye.
Srini, honestly, nothing. I'm from my side, nothing. I have to start.
Is it okay? Just can you do it, okay, at least by this Monday?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah. Sundar,
Yeah.
you are very lazy like me.
Hey, why are you? I think you are targeting me, man. Today.
Anand, did you check your email?
1 minute, bye.
Srini, do we have class tomorrow morning?
If you want it, I can do it.
We need a break. I think we need
Complete that RF gun.
Okay, let's before actually going to that thing, okay, I just want to actually talk about the transaction code, okay. If you want to do tomorrow, if you want to create any screens in the RF also, as a EWM consultant, okay, you have to develop, okay, a lot of RF screens with the help of ABAPware. So remember the transaction code, okay, for the RF in EWM, it is SCWM/RFUI.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just show you that, okay, how actually I'll be confirming through a RF gun. Okay, so you just need to enter that, okay, the EHYD. So I just want to, okay, enter the one of the resource also.
What's going on?
Okay, the master data. Resource management.
Anand, okay?
okay, sir. I'm just replying.
Okay, I did not define, okay, any of these things also. Resource, okay. So what I'm doing is that, okay, worker 1, okay, resource type.
Anand's name.
Okay, so resource type 01, and then, okay, I can assign it to a resource group also. So default presentation device. Okay.
Srini, what are these entries?
I'm just defining a one resource in my warehouse. Okay.
Okay.
To use RF.
Yeah, to use RF. Okay.
Do you want
Now,
your name?
Just okay. Save this thing. Now.
No. It is not name.
It's just like, okay, the one of the. It can be a forklift or it can be the actual worker also. So actually, tomorrow, if it is actual person who is going to work it, okay, what we'll do is that, okay, you need to link this, okay, the resource to the user also. Okay.
Srini, one more question.
Yeah.
Can we link with the HR if it is a human resource?
Yes, you can do that thing also. So once you define a resource, okay, you need to link that, okay, resource to the user.
So even though, that means even though the actual resource will leave, still we can keep that one as a group, right? Something like.
Yes. See something. Okay, let's take that. Okay, the resource means, okay, the resource. See in EWM, the resource may be either it may be a physical user or okay, it may be a forklift, or it may be a conveyor belt, or it may be a crane also.
Right.
Okay, so everything is treated as a resource only. Is it clear now? So now in the case of okay, if I want to link it to the HR, suppose let's take this, okay, I want to okay calculate okay my warehouse pickers okay performance, how they're working it, and based on the performance okay I want to calculate their bonus. Okay, is it clear now? Suppose okay, okay, let's take this example that okay, I just want to calculate the productivity of warehouse workers. How do I calculate it? That means okay, I know that okay they are working okay from their RF gun. That means okay I know that okay the resource need to be assigned to a processor. Okay, the processor is nothing but okay called as okay the business partner. Okay, this business partner is linked to that okay the info type okay 1005, which is nothing but okay the person ID in HR. Somebody okay worked in HR?
Little bit.
Okay, have you heard of this word okay the business partner and the info types?
Right. That.
Okay, so that info type okay it will be linked to that okay the person ID in HR. That is nothing but okay I think the transaction is something CP20 or something in ERP. If you go to the central person transaction HR, so there actually okay you need to maintain that personal ID of that. It's nothing but the employee number or the personal number. See in SAP always okay user ID is different and the personal number is different. Both are linked using info type.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Personal number is the employee number. Okay.
Yeah, because okay the user ID can be anything. Okay, I can have different user IDs, but all of them okay can be pointed to the one single employee number only. Okay. So okay, so sometimes okay I can just exist in the HR, but I may not have a user ID in the system also. So I need to have only the personal number only. Suppose okay if I want to calculate okay my performance document okay, so this is the link only. So when we go to the labor management chapter okay we'll see that okay how to calculate okay the performance of the employees, or okay how I can plan it, okay how many workers are required, okay how to calculate okay whether they are doing the work is correctly or not, or what is the velocity of my workers, okay how many documents they are able to finish it per hour, whether they are meeting my targets or not. So everything okay we can calculate it in the labor management.
Okay.
So we can do kind of a KPI analysis.
Yes, exactly. Super KPIs we can do there actually.
Okay.
Okay, you can analyze it okay up to the each minute okay what they are doing it also, and okay we can analyze it with the beautiful charts also.
Yeah.
We have something called as okay the easy graphics framework. If you heard of this word, or you can just Google it also, SAP EWM easy graphics framework. That contains the beautiful charts also.
Yeah, Srini, one more thing you mentioned that we can view the warehouse layout, everything as a graphical thing.
Yeah. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. That easy graphics framework.
Oh, okay.
That is a cocktail or something, correct? Right?
It's a not a cocktail. It's a cockpit.
Cockpit. Sorry.
Hello, who is that?
I know you're already. I know you're already in the Friday mode.
It's Friday.
Hello, Kannan.
Yeah.
Is it Kannan?
Yes, right.
Yeah.
He's already having cocktail.
Kannan, are you in India or you are here in USA?
US, New Jersey.
That's why you're talking about cocktails.
Yeah, you are Sundar, right?
Anand.
Okay. Sorry.
Hey, I think this server is actually not up and running. Okay, I hope I'll just ask them to make it ready by at least by tomorrow. I just want to show you these things.
So at what time in the morning?
I think one more thing. I think from Monday I think we are going to change the time, if I am correct.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Yes. Saturday night in the from Sunday onwards we'll change the time.
Yeah, so that means for the Monday class, what time actually you want it?
No, for US we'll keep the same time. But Indians that will change.
Yeah. Okay.
US,
so
for example,
So India, what?
what we will do is in the USA we will make 1 hour forward. That is.
So it will become like, okay, 1 hour later to you in India.
1 hour later or 1 hour?
Yeah, later. 7:30 it will be.
No, if you
No.
It will be 7:30 India time.
Okay.
It will be morning 7:30.
Okay, yeah, I think, yeah.
Yep. See, that's what, okay, my clock shows that, okay, I'll be just going here, so these guys, okay, will go here.
so if it is 7 Central Time, then it is India. It will be
7:30.
Just
5:30. 5:30. Huh? 5:30. Oh, it won't work. I think we have to keep here 8 o'clock. Then only it will be 6:30, right, Srini? Am I right? Or making a wrong calculation?
no.
Now what's the time in India?
8:16 a.m.
8:16.
a.m. morning.
Okay.
Yeah, it is half an hour difference. Okay.
See, as of now, okay, we have half an hour difference, okay, but later actually going on, we'll have 1.5 hour difference.
Correct.
Yep.
If it is 1.5 hour difference, and if you are taking class at 7 o'clock at Central Time, that means they will be coming at 5:30 in the morning. It's too early.
I don't think so. Just let me check it. Yeah.
No, we are going forward, so it will be 7:30, not 5:30.
Yeah. So we are going actually less than.
We are not. We are means we are adding 1 hour. We are not reducing.
That means we are moving 1 hour ahead. That is like half an hour. The daytime difference only.
To go forward 1 hour. Okay, that means okay.
So like 8 o'clock in difference.
Now the time will be 10:45.
No, I think it is 7:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Hey, whatever it is, like my 8:30, it will be fine. Singapore time.
Oh, Naveen, you have to come a little bit to Northwest.
Because later, if you keep, it will be difficult for me.
Naveen, if it's 1 hour early, then what is the time at your place?
See, generally, as of now, when you start, it will be 9:30. If it is 1 hour early, it will be 8:30 my time, Singapore time.
That is good or bad?
It will be good because 8:30 will be good for me to attend. Because generally people come by 9:30 to my office. So at least I'll have 1 hour time to speak very comfortably.
Yeah, then that is good for you, good for us also. For US people, it will not change anything.
Yeah.
But for Indians, I don't know. It is like
only Suraj has to start off at 6 o'clock. I don't think so. It should be a problem for Suraj.
Yeah, we can call him in the morning.
Yeah, we can just you can discuss with Sravanti and then we'll decide it. Okay.
No, she doesn't know anything.
Okay, yeah.
It's better we decide, Srini, among ourselves because she will not know anything.
Yeah.
Okay, so let us decide it. Okay.
No. What I am saying is, it is
Tomorrow we have.
Tomorrow you can start off any time, no issue. From Tuesday morning, that will be your.
Evening I have appointment like 4 to 7. So I want.
Yeah. Okay. Let's not have it on weekends. Okay. You just finish it till all the exercises.
Okay, that's
whatever
good.
we discussed it. Okay. What actually I expected that by Monday you should not have any.
Then it will be little bit over. Then.
Yeah, actually I just want to create a warehouse auto creation rule and then want to confirm through RF for the Putaway, but server is not working, otherwise I'd have finished this thing.
Okay.
That's a problem actually. It's becoming a problem in the ass. No, the server is actually not responding. Okay, so
tomorrow there is no class, right, Sunny?
yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
I want to put one point. Whatever the time change in US, if you are coming on the same time, what will be the issue?
No issue.
Then okay.
For
same time means
for US people.
We are concerned about you, Naveen. I mean, sorry, Suraj, because it will be almost 5 o'clock or 5:30 in the evening.
Oh, so you are going ahead, right?
We are going ahead.
Yes, Suraj. So if we start 1 hour early, so then what will be your time?
It should be 5:30.
5:30 in the morning.
5:30 is...
5:30?
Yep.
Yeah, it will be 5:30 morning, early morning 5:30.
So it is too early?
No, it's not possible.
Not
It is
possible?
too early.
5:30, how can they get ready?
Yeah, half an hour early you can start off, I think so.
Okay,
Yeah, it will be better.
Then it will be 5 o'clock, man.
No, currently India time it will be 6:30 you start off.